a pigeon. I'm flying a bird.
What?
I'm flying a bird. I'm recording. I'm flying a bird over Berezino.
No, you're not.
I am. I swear down.
Down to where we are then.
I am. There's someone on the road. There's someone on the road. There's someone on the road. Outside us. Outside where we are.
Speaking gay.
No, he's now coming in. He's now on the road.
What, into where we are?
No, he's now running back into Berezino. He's got a gun.
Oh.
How weird is that? I'm a bird flying through the sky.
Speaking gay.
Can you hear me?
No, shout.
How weird is that? I'm a bird.
Fly up to people and be like,
I can't go up or down. I'm just above the sky. I'm gonna fly. There's a guy running into the town. There's someone on the roof. Oh no, there's not. This is really weird. I am actually a bird, and I'm now going because I can see the bird and I'm controlling it on the menu screen. This is freaky stuff. I'm recording it, by the way. Hopefully it picks it up. I don't know where that guy's gone now. This is mental.
yeah, but the problem is, you actually fucking here isn't done.
Oh, there's a guy now coming up the road. He's at the bottom of Berezino. He's now going over to the piano house. I need to exit. There's two of them. Oh no, he's in the piano house. Right, I'm going to exit and come back in, mate.